Ladies and gentlemen, the new Datsun Cross. As I mentioned earlier, this multi-purpose car is specifically developed for Indonesian customers. Stylishly designed and equipped with the latest technologies. This new crossover creates a new segment in the market. Look at this bold line and very robust stance. It will remind you of a well-trained athlete, muscular, agile, but very smart, with a high ground clearance of 200 millimeters with a 15-inch alloy wheels and tires. Datsun Cross can easily fit to the variety of the road conditions in Indonesia. I can proudly say this car is a great combination of performance, fuel efficiency, and design that customer is looking for. It also comes with the number of the fast items. For the first time, we offer the world-class Nissan CVT technology in Datsun cars. The CVT can change seamlessly through the continuous range of effective gear ratios, enables the engine to work at the high efficient range for each vehicle speed. It is smoother, more comfortable, and more fuel efficient in comparison to conventional automatic transmission. Datsun Cross also will be the first car in its price range to offer safety features like vehicle dynamic control as standard equipment for all grades. VDC includes ABS, EBD, traction control, and brake limited slip differential. VDC improves the vehicle stability and reduces the risk of accident, and provides more confidence to the driver. Datsun Cross is also equipped with the other safety equipment such as dual front airbags. Notable from the front are the distinctive eagle-eye projector headlamp. Again, the first in its segment to feature automatic operation for headlamps. The dual character of the car is highlighted by purposeful and highly individual looks. These practical chrome roof rails are standard of all grades and offer an additional load capacity, a perfect solution for long travel. The black sporty interior is further defined by the distinctive seat covers with a honeycomb pattern and silver double stitch. We are also focusing on the quietness of the cabin to ensure your journey is a pleasant one. the interior experience is further enhanced by the latest audio display, which connects smartphone application with the car. Space has always been one of our strong points, and we ensure that there is an ample room for 5 adults and a spacious trunk for big luggage. There is also a bonus for 2 extra seats.